The blooming onion is one of the most popular appetizers out there, not only because of its taste, but it also makes quite the appearance. And most importantly for you, customers are willing to pay a premium for that presentation. Cutting a flowering onion by hand is both difficult and time-consuming, but with the Nemco Easy Flowering Onion Cutter, creating this dish has become quick and easy. Simply place an onion on the stool on the frame of the cutter. Then put the root right in the hole of the stool and line it up and get it centered. Once it's centered, pull down the handle so the blade set rests on top of the onion. Check to make sure that the onion is still centered. Then, firmly grasp the handle, pushing it down and slicing through the onion. Bring the handle back up and let the ejector remove the onion from the blade set. It's now ready to be battered, breaded, and fried. One of the great things about the Nemco Easy Flowering Onion Cutter is that it can bloom a large onion for large appetizers or a small onion for a more conservative portion. To do this, the unit comes with an adapter that fits into the stool on the frame and accommodates a smaller onion. Core cutters are included too, so you can place the fried onion in a shallow bowl and remove the root with ease. One large and one small core cutter also comes standard with the unit. A flowering onion is a great way to boost sales in steakhouses, grills, and bars. It's delicious, it's dramatic, and with the Nemco Easy Flowering Onion Cutter, it's fast and easy to prepare.